I'm R. Prabha, Assistant Professor in the Department of ECE, SNS College of Technology. In this video, we are going to discuss the topic on the coordinate systems, Cartesian, cylindrical and spherical coordinates. This is for the course Electromagnetic Fields and Waves. So the recall of the previous topic is about the vector algebra. Vectors are physical quantities. They are having both magnitude and also the direction. They are represented graphically with arrows. It is crucial in physics and also mathematics for describing the change and movement of a quantity, and these vectors are differ from scalars, which only have the magnitude. And now the topics for today's discussion are the introduction to coordinate systems, Cartesian, cylindrical and spherical coordinate system, and also their applications. So now in the design thinking part, empathy, understanding the need, we are going to see what is the need of coordinate systems. So the coordinate systems are essential in electromagnetic fields to locate points in space, describe field quantities, and also simplify the complex equations. And these coordinate systems are used for making calculations of antennas, finding the fields, the radiated fields. And they also provide a standardized framework for defining positions and directions of the electric and magnetic fields. So this is the need of the coordinate systems in electromagnetic fields. And the next, coming to the second part of design thinking, is define part, and this describes the coordinate systems in electromagnetic fields. And the electromagnetic field coordinate systems are essential for defining the points in space and also describing the field variations. And all systems must be right-handed and ideally orthogonal for simplifying calculations of vectors, gradients, and also the divergence. So the next is the ideate part. Here we are going to describe the different types of coordinate system. The first one is Cartesian, or it is also called as rectangular coordinate system. Second type is cylindrical coordinate system. Third type is spherical coordinate systems. And these three coordinate systems are depending upon the shape of the quantity what we have taken. And now the first simplest case of coordinate system is called Cartesian or rectangular coordinate system. And this coordinate system uses perpendicular axis to locate the points, and in two-dimensional it consists of two axes only. One is x-axis horizontal and y-axis is the vertical axis. And in the two dimension, any point in space can be represented by x comma y. So here x comma y are the variables which define the quantity. But if we take three-dimensional way of representing the vector in coordinate systems, and there are three axes have been taken. The three axes are mutually perpendicular and considered as x, y, z. Any point in this coordinate system as a three-dimensional quantity will be represented by x comma y comma z, and it is widely used in vector algebra, graphs, and also the engineering applications. So the second type is cylindrical coordinate systems, applicable to the shapes which are having circular symmetry or cylindrical shapes. And this is the extension of polar coordinates into three-dimensional, represented by the three quantities r, theta, phi. Here r is the radius of the circular cylinder and theta is azimuth angle. Z is the z axis same as the axis in coordinate system, rectangular coordinate system. And these types of cylindrical coordinate system is useful in electromagnetics and also the antenna theory. So the third type of coordinate system is called spherical coordinate system, used to represent the points in 3D space, represented by the three quantities r, theta, phi. R is called as distance from the origin of spherical coordinate system. Theta is the angle in xy plane and also called as polar angle. Phi is called as azimuth angle and it is the angle from the z-axis. And this spherical coordinate system is very much useful in antenna radiation patterns, fields and also the physics. So now the applications of coordinate systems in real time are, they are very much useful in GPS and mapping, engineering and CAD, physics, computer graphics and also astronomy. So far in this video, we have discussed about coordinate systems in electromagnetics and we have seen the purpose and importance of coordinate system and the required characteristics in EMF. We have also discussed the three different types of coordinate systems like Cartesian, cylindrical and spherical coordinate system, and also we have discussed the real-time applications of all these coordinate systems. So